What's up, guys? Today I'm coming at you with a Ruger LCP pistol. It's a little unboxing video. I hadn't done an official unboxing of this gun. You might have saw it in some of my everyday carry videos, but I haven't actually showed kind of what comes in a box. You get this little holster that comes with it. You get one 6-round magazine. She is unloaded. It comes with a finger plate extension, and then I'll give you a little tip right quick about this. That's kind of how you get it off. Put that little thing in there. We'll slide this other one on. That easy. That's how you get you. But what I was getting to with this magazine, the reason I don't carry it like that is because, see that? When you hold it, it moves that magazine, and it'll cause this thing to jam. So that's why I run the flat base plate on it. I suggest, if you look at that, it's hammer fired. I mean, mine's broke in pretty good, so, but, right, I mean, look at all the finger travel. But, you know, it's got good positive reset. It's a really small gun. I think it weighs like 11 ounces, 11.7, somewhere in that neighborhood. So that's kind of what you get, what's in the box. I'll give you a little tip on this gun. When you first get this thing, it is so tight. You can't even hardly work. I mean, a female couldn't work the action, because I mean, you know, I got small hands, and it was tough for me to chamber around. But a little advice, when you're sitting around, write that slide about 1,000 times before you ever shoot it, and you won't have any problems with it jamming. The only thing that I saw was this, because it'll move that magazine and it would cause it to stovepipe and stuff like that. And I got to looking at it, and I just went back to the flat base, and I didn't have any problems with it anymore. So if anybody from Ruger's watching that video, which they did, they updated this to a Ruger 2. There's a Ruger, I guess it's a Ruger 2. I don't know if that's the correct name, but there's another Ruger, LCP. Pretty sure it's called the Ruger LCP 2. Just a quick little, there's your look at your sights. This is a point and shoot gun. Pretty good little gun. It's like plastic. plastic, but I don't know, it feels good. Man, to give you some comparison, it is a pocket pistol. That's what it looks like. Put that little pin right there out to break it down. I'm not gonna do it because that thing's aggravating to get out. Just kind of a little quick overview what's in the box type video, and this thing is straight up a box. I mean, you get I don't know, you get some stuff like, were they trying to sell you some knives and things from CRKT? Or that was when I got it. You get some brochures, and you get state mandated lock. I got a whole shitload of them. And you get this little holster to carry it in your pocket. Now, I did buy a inside the waistband holster for it. I have a review on that if you want to check it out. If you want to carry inside, so this is a Kydex CYA holster. I very rarely use it. I normally just stick this in my pocket and roll with it. that's kind of, you know, that's kind of just a quick little overview of it. This is a good gun. It is reliable once you get it broke in. I mean, first couple hundred rounds was tough. Like I said, I do not rock I don't use the thumb, you know, the one with the finger extension on it, because I believe that it's what causes those jams. And ever since I went back to that one, what you do is you take that little pin, I don't know if that's what that's for, but just smash down on that little button, slide it off, and slide it back on. Pretty simple procedure, and then she locks back in place. So that's just my little quick overview of this gun. I like it. I like the summer carry deal with it. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, I like to be able to stick it. I got cargo shorts, so when you stick it in your pocket where your cargo shorts are, your extra outside cargo pocket covers it up, so you can't tell there's a gun in your pocket. It's not real obvious. You can carry this about anywhere, even places you probably shouldn't. It's really, really concealable. Definitely recommend this. Like I said, make sure you run just that regular, because see, that way you're not pulling on that magazine when you're firing it. You don't get a very good purchase on it, but you're not going to cause any malfunctions. Put a couple hundred rounds of ammunition through it. Cycle that slide, like I said, cycle that slide about 1,000 times. And once you do that, shoot a couple hundred rounds, it'll fire every single time. But anyway, hope everybody's having a good day. That's my little quick video for today. Like, share, subscribe. If you learned anything, or if you found it interesting, or if you found it boring, then thumbs it down. Whatever. I guess we can't all be friends. But anyway, y'all have a good day, and later.